Hello everyone, RawTechTV here, and I wanted to show you guys this really cool tweak called JellyLock. Now, when I lock my device, we are introduced by a really cool lock screen that replaces your standard iOS slide to unlock feature. When I place my finger on the lock, you can see that we are introduced with a shortcut to camera, as well as 3 shortcuts, and also to unlock. Now, if I slide over to camera, you can see that it automatically brings us to the camera, and let me just lock it real quick again, and we can unlock the device. JellyLock has its settings. Once you go into settings, just scroll over and you can see JellyLock is right over here. And the cool thing about JellyLock is that anything that I change within the settings, it automatically changes without any respring at all. So I think that's a very good feature. Now JellyLock gives you a wide variety of different things to make it fit your liking, but here I'm just gonna disable it, and you can see without any respring I already have it back to normal, and I'm just gonna put it back on, and there you go. Here, let's take a look at more settings. In this theme, you could pretty much change it to different other colors. So you see this is solid white, and now it's black. I don't really like black or the iOS. Here, you can take a look. I think default's pretty much the best for me, but I'm glad that you could choose different options. Now, next is app shortcuts. You saw that I had the 3 apps, and here you could choose your first one. So for me, I chose calculator, and you could choose any app that your iPhone has or any iOS device. And for number 2, I chose phone, and for 3, I did messages. Here, let me fix that, and it seems like I unchecked what I wanted, so let me fix that, make sure everything's set. Okay, I did 2 messages. Let me change it back to phone. Right over here. There you go. So when I lock the device, you can see that it gives me my 3 shortcuts right over here, and all you have to do is slide to it. I'm gonna just slide over and unlock, and you also can change the circle's color. Now it's originally defaulted at white, but let's see, let me change it right now. Just go down to color, and they give you a whole bunch of colors. I personally like the default one, but if you take a look at that red circle that circles around the different features you can choose. Now I change it to yellow, but I just like to keep it at white. Now looking down over here, you can see that you could change the size of the circle. I have it at the smallest size, but if you just slide it over to the right, you can change it at any different width. Now it's a bigger circle. I usually keep mine about towards the smaller end, and you could also change the offset where it's located. You can move the circle up, or you can move it all the way where it's showing like a half a circle. Now let me just change it back to how I usually have it, right over here. And here's another cool feature. If you don't want to slide to unlock to the right, you can swap that right over here, and you have your unlocker to the left and your camera to the right. Now let me just scroll all the way down to advanced. And a cool thing in the advanced features, if I scroll down, is you could change the camera shortcut. This is mainly for people who don't use the stock iPhone camera app, if you wanted to redirect to another certain camera app. So that's a really good feature that they added onto it. Overall, I think this is a very well designed tweak. It is a free app, and I'll place the source and everything in the description box below. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, you can check my last 2 videos on my review of the ProTube extension for YouTube, as well as a tutorial on how to jailbreak your iDevice if you haven't already.